I'm going to try and answer some questions about the milk jug garden. Now, if you already know the answer, remember there's a lot of new people here, and some of them have never even heard of hydroponics. Now, one question I get a lot is when you first plant the microgreens, how high do you want the water to be? In the very beginning, you want to fill it almost to the top. The plant's roots have got to be inside the nutrient solution. So leave the tiniest little air gap. That top portion will evaporate fast. Then as your nutrient level drops, the plant's roots will go down looking for it. And you can just let it be. So remember, in the beginning, fill her up and keep on growing.